Yes, hello guys, welcome to this video of today. So in today's video I just want to show you how to make some special organic manure for your plantain multiplication. If you want to be multiplying plantain, then I would like you to make this type of organic manure. So this is our plantain leaf. This is the hole that we have just dug this hole. So we are going to do this. This is a special manure for plantain and banana multiplication. So this one is very special. You would need this if you are planning to multiply or propagate plantain, sucker. Then this organic manure, you will need it. So I just want you to watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you will learn. As far as you are having suckers, you have to have this type of compost manure in your farm. You can just make and keep. It will be necessary. You may not be seeing the important now, but when I will be making the next video, then you will understand why we have to make this type of organic manure. So I want you to watch this video to the end so that you will understand a lot of things. So this is the plantain leaves that we have put. Then the next thing that I want to put in is what we call sawdust. This is sawdust. Many people, when they are making plantains and banana multiplication, after they have to prepare a place and they look this type of sawdust and put, then they carry their suckers and put it inside. But I want to show you the best way you can do this process. The best way is by we can reactivate this substance, this sawdust, so that the sawdust can be very nutritive and be very helpful for the plant to grow. So that is why I want us to do this video. This one is a very special video, how to activate this sawdust for plantains and banana multiplication. So this is what you need to know. So that is, we are going to pour it in here. We just want to reactivate this sawdust so that anytime that we want to propagate our plantain, this is the sawdust that we are going to use. So that is why we have to reactivate it so that it should be very nutritive whenever we are planting our plant. So this is the sawdust. We are going to add more sawdust. So we are going to add the sawdust. When you look at this sawdust that we always use, the sawdust at this level, the sawdust is very useless. And each time you are using the sawdust, for this sawdust to be very helpful and be nutritive, you have to take at least 6 months. So before this sawdust can be very helpful for our plant. But at this level, the sawdust does not have anything to help our plants to grow. So let's add more sawdust. So this is more sawdust. Why we are putting this leaves? So the next thing we still have a leaf here. These are just sunflower. This sunflower we have to put it on top. Why are we putting this sunflower and other this thing is because this sunflower, when it decay, it will give a lot of nitrogen to this sawdust so that the sawdust can be very helpful. It will help to activate the sawdust. That is why we are putting this one. So the next thing we are going to put this is just our kitchen waste. This is just our kitchen waste. And here we have these are peelings from cabbage. They are very nutritive as far as plant is concerned. So when all these things get rotten, it will give the sawdust a good moisture and a very good nutrients, so that anytime we plant plantain suckers using this sawdust, the plantain will grow very healthily, because the sawdust is going to absorb all the nutrients from all these things here. So we have this is our banana. This is ripe banana. We just have to put them there. We have something like leeks. This is from leeks and other things. Then the next thing we are going to do, we are going to pour this bucket. I don't know if you already know this bucket, because this was the bucket that will make our liquid organic fertilizer. And inside this bucket, we will see something like pineapple peeling. We can see pineapple peelings, and we can see Irish potatoes peelings. All these peelings are very good, so we just have to put inside the hole. But this water that you see, this water is very nutritive, because this water carries a lot of vitamin, because this water, we decay it, we make a liquid fertilizer with this water. So this water, it is very nutritive as far as our plant is concerned. So we can still use this one to water our plants, water our suckers. The water we can use to water our suckers, it is a very good source of organic fertilizer. That is liquid organic manure. That is what we call liquid organic manure. So these things, you just have to put it in here. It will be very helpful. You can see. I hope for now, I know that some of you will not really know the use of this, what we are making it now, but in later I will be bringing you videos what we are going to use, what we have done here to do with. You will be surprised. So I want you to watch this video. If you want to practice it, just do this one right now, then know that when we are going to be using this process, you will just follow the video, and you will like it, and it will also work for you. So this is the first step. We have just done this first step. If you want to know better, you can also do this first step at home, then then you sit and wait for the next things that we are going to do. So thank you guys for watching this video. So this one, we want to activate the sawdust. We want our sawdust to be very nutritive, so that whatever time we use the sawdust to plant, anything that we plant using the sawdust, it will grow very well. So that is the purpose why we are making this type of compost manure. So thank you for watching. I'd just like you to share, subscribe. If you have any question, you ask the question, then I will be able to help you. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.